Hello friends, my name is Panchal. Today we see the experiment of density of water. Take some water, one lemon and some salt. Drop the lemon into the water. You will see that the lemon sinking into the water. Add some salt into the water and stir it. You will see that the salt is totally dissolved into the water. And now again drop the lemon into the water. You will see that the lemon is floating on the water because the density of water is increased due to dissolved salt in the water. Thank